So this is our first family sail of the season. Amazing conditions. It's fairly warm out, not too chilly. Wind has been pretty much 10 to 15 with some higher gusts. Right now it's 13.2. We're heading back. We just crossed St. Michael's is over my shoulder right now. We kind of just went out and did a loop around the submerged island that's just off St. Michael's and heading back. So all told, probably about a 4-hour sail. Went a little further up towards Kent Narrows than we planned because I had to reef. Got some gusts that were way above 15, so it just wasn't comfortable going upwind. So we ended up reefing, and it made it just everything a lot more comfortable. And I think a couple times we've heeled to like maybe 20 degrees or so, and it's not been too bad. Comfortable for Laurie and the kids. I think everybody took a nap down below except me. But yeah, it's been a great day. So we're moving right along. Right now we're at 5.6 speed over ground.
Yeah, so we're about an hour from home, and played a little battleship, and Kate is listening to music. And
look how fast you're going. You didn't get the water.
Channel marker 5, leaving St. Michael's.
So we're on the Miles River. We're just before the big elbow that turns up into where we are. So we're gonna end up, actually we could sail pretty much all the way back now the way the wind is going. So we might just drop the main and keep the Genoa out and just go downwind all the way home. That's it.
Two teenagers.
Just had a really good sail. Conditions were perfect. Laurie basically told me that she just wanted 4 hours or so out on the water, so a little disappointed to have to come back with such great conditions. We had pretty much 15 knots, sunny skies, warm weather. It was great, but I didn't want to push my luck with Laurie and the kids, and I don't even think Kate left the cabin the whole time. But yeah, we're all tied up here and tired from fresh air sickness.